I'm Pierre Menard. This is my new machine to install ground posts. I manufacture ground posts like this one and I install them with this machine here. It's a manual machine. I screw these pipes into these flanges and two people hold it while it's turning at about 6 RPM. The machine is made with two Milwaukee 3/4 of an inch size and two gear reducers 60:1 ratio. Each drill is linked to the gearbox with a coupling, and in between each gearbox there is another coupling in there. I changed the this here to adapt to different size of posts. I have a little door here. It's to change the rotation of the drills because sometimes it's important to be able to unscrew a post so the drill turns backward, and also this weighs about 100 pounds, so I'm lifting it by the same time it's unscrewing it with a tripod hoist. So I don't force to lift it, I just keep it from rotating. We always do that with two people. I reinforce these are aluminum gearboxes. I reinforce them with little metal steel inserts in there, so there's more surface to hold the bolts. I hope it'll work. I don't know. I haven't tested it yet. This is the back to put posts into a little corner. I screw my handles here. This is the wiring that goes with it. Two extension cords of 100 feet each, a pedal, and a contactor inside this gray box. So both drills are powered exactly at the same time.